Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice on the Blackstone. Start by prepping cold cooked rice, chopped vegetables, beaten eggs, sliced scallions, and a high smoke point oil so everything cooks evenly. Heat the Blackstone to medium-high, add oil, sear eggs, push to the side, stir-fry vegetables, then add rice and sauce, tossing quickly for even browning. Warm and friendly tip. Keep your machine placed to speed up cooking and avoid overcooking vegetables. Once the griddle is hot, sear the eggs, then stir-fry vegetables until just tender. Add rice in batches if needed, splash soy and sesame sparingly, and toss constantly so each grain gets coated and toasted for a satisfying bite with a slight crisp. Keep flavors balanced by seasoning gradually and tasting as you go, rather than dumping all sauce at once. If you like umami, add a small splash of oyster or fish sauce sparingly. Fold in proteins like shrimp or diced chicken near the end to prevent toughness, then finish with scallions and a light acid to brighten the whole dish before serving hot from the griddle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.